have 6 side hustle ideas for you that you can get started on today from the comfort of your own home. These can all earn you at least $100 per day passively if you put in some work up front. By putting in the time and effort to set these up, you can start earning money while you sleep. That's what's so beautiful about passive income. If you're new here, my name is Sandra. I help you build side hustles and passive income streams online. So hit that like button if you're excited about this video, and let's dive right in to passive income idea number 1, which is to sell artwork on Etsy. I've talked a lot about selling digital downloads on Etsy on my channel, but you can also sell physical artwork like framed images or canvases for passive income. All you have to do is choose a third party like Printify, connect your Etsy shop, and design the artwork that will be put on a poster or a canvas. That's it. Printify will take care of everything else for you. They will create the product, package it, and ship it to your customer once someone makes a purchase. The great thing about this business model is you can charge way more than digital artwork because the customer is receiving a physical product. If you are an artist and you want to sell your own unique artwork, that's great. But if you're not an artist and you still want to get into this type of business, you still can. There are quotes that are being sold for over $1,000 because they come in large canvas sets and they're super easy to create on any design software you choose, like Canva, Photoshop, Kittl, or whatever you're comfortable using. You can even find public domain images to use in your artwork. Public domain essentially consists of work where the intellectual property rights have been expired or forfeited by the artist. You can find public domain images on websites like Pixabay or Free Images. I personally wouldn't just copy and paste these images and sell them. I would add something a little bit more unique, like maybe add a filter, change up the colors, add some text, just so that you're a little bit more unique than other people that are doing this as well. Here's an example of a 3-piece set that features Van Gogh artwork. And this artist has just kind of cropped sections of the Van Gogh artwork. They've changed the colors around a little bit and they've added some text. This is super easy to do in any design software that you choose. If you're wondering, will this side hustle actually work for me? And the answer is yes, if you work for it. Just like any other side hustle or business idea, you need to put in the effort to get it off the ground and build that momentum, because no effort equals no results. The more products you offer, the more you market your products, the better the results you'll see in your business. Next side hustle idea is to sell low content books on Amazon KDP. Literally anyone, anywhere around the world can set this up in a few minutes. You just need an Amazon KDP account, which is completely free to sign up, and you can self-publish your books. Some examples of low content books are planners, journals, notebooks, and activity books. So you don't need any writing skills or graphic design skills because you're basically creating books that your customers are going to write in, essentially. The best part is you don't have to create the physical copies of these books. Amazon will take care of that for you. They will create the books, package, and ship them to your customers. All you need to do is upload the books to Amazon KDP. You'll want to take the time to research the best-selling books on Amazon so that you create books that people actually want to buy. Find niches that have very high demand and low competition. You can do this on a tool called BookBolt, which is what I'm currently using to research and create my books. You can grab your free trial of BookBolt in the description box below, and I have a whole tutorial on my channel. I'll link that down below for you. I walk you through the whole process step by step. You'll also see how current sellers are making thousands of dollars per month from this passive income stream. You can also try posting YouTube videos for passive income. The obvious income stream you would build here is YouTube AdSense. Once you meet YouTube's requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program, where you will start receiving monthly paychecks from YouTube. The amount you make really depends on a few factors, like what your niche is, how many ads you place in your videos, how many ad views your videos get, that sort of thing. In my niche, I typically make about $4,000 to $5,000 a month, even during the months that I'm not really consistent with my posting schedule. The best part about having a YouTube channel is you can actually monetize it in multiple ways, not just through YouTube AdSense. You can utilize affiliate marketing, you can sell your own digital products to your audience, you can send your audience to your merch store, Truly, the possibilities are endless. If you're not comfortable showing your face on YouTube, there are so many faceless channels that perform really well, like illustration videos, gaming, meditation channels, so many options. Regardless of what content you share, you have to try Epidemic Sound for your music and sound effects because editing matters. I've been using Epidemic Sound for my video content and I cannot recommend them enough. They have over 35,000 tracks and 90,000 sound effects, with new tracks being added every single week. That's insane. You can use their soundtracks in your YouTube videos, podcasts, Instagram reels with no copyright strikes or takedowns. And I partnered with them to give you guys a 1-month free trial, which you can grab from the description box down below. If you cancel your subscription after the 1-month free trial, any content you created using their music during your trial will not receive any copyright strikes. They have different subscriptions available to you. The personal is great for you if you just want to connect and monetize one channel per platform. Commercial is for you if you are a freelancer or an agency that wants to use their soundtracks for your own and your clients' content as well. You can sign up for the personal plan or commercial plan using the link in the description box below to get your 1-month free trial. Like I mentioned, any videos you created with their music during your trial will remain safe and protected, even if you cancel your subscription. If you would like me to talk more about how to be successful on YouTube, let me know in the comments below and I'm happy to share way more tips in future videos. You can sell digital templates for passive income, whether it's on Etsy, your own website, or Koji, which is another platform that I use. There are many options on where you can sell your templates. You can create your templates using Canva, Adobe, or even Google Sheets and Docs. Essentially, you create a document that you sell the access to so people can edit and use it for themselves. Templates save people a lot of time. That's why they successfully sell over and over again. Some Canva template ideas are thank you cards, Instagram posts, business cards, Pinterest pins, and ebooks. Some Google template ideas are bookkeeping spreadsheets, email templates, Instagram captions, invoice spreadsheets, and blog posts. I have a whole video on how to create and sell Canva templates, which I will link down below for you. If you want to get into more high-priced templates so that you can charge more and make more every single day, some examples I found are website templates, Etsy shop templates, and webinar slide deck templates. These are not very difficult to create, and the reason you can charge more is because you're helping other business owners save a lot of time in their own business. Next idea is you can write and sell ebooks and workbooks. I was actually doing some market research on my channel, asking my audience what digital product they would purchase first to help them achieve a specific goal. And the most popular item was printable workbooks. You can guide people step by step through a process that has a corresponding workbook in order to help them achieve specific tasks. Creating an ebook is actually super easy. You can write one up in Microsoft Word or Canva. I have a tutorial on that. I will link that down below for you as well. But you will need to put in some work up front to drive traffic and demand to your workbook. I created a workbook last year that has already made thousands of dollars and continues to sell every single day because I did the research to figure out what people wanted. And I don't talk about it every day, but I do include it in the description box of all of my videos so that anybody that lands on my videos has access to it. There are many articles and videos that talk about best-selling ebook ideas that you can get inspiration from and how to market your books. You can also create and sell online classes as a side hustle. You've probably heard many people talking about creating and selling online courses, or maybe you've taken a few yourself. Maybe you want to do something similar, but the idea of it sounds too daunting, where you have to sell your courses on a regular basis, have a corresponding group where you are offering support to your students every day. You can totally do that. But you can also host your classes on platforms like Skillshare and Udemy. Because although you should be promoting your classes as well, platforms like Skillshare also have a built-in audience. So they'll already be driving traffic to your classes. It's super easy to apply to be a teacher on Skillshare. You just go to their homepage and click on apply on the top right. And they're just going to have a bunch of questions for you that you fill out so that they can get an idea of what types of classes you want to create for their platform. They even answer the question, do I need to promote my classes? And they do mention that they have this built-in audience from the start. Top earning teachers are making $100,000 plus each year. Now, I know people are probably watching this now and thinking, that's not me. I'm definitely not going to find success like this on this platform. But seriously, why not? If there are teachers making this much, why can't you? Just like I mentioned, it's about putting in that time and effort in the beginning and putting in the work to build that momentum. I currently have 6 classes that are hosted on Creative Fabrica, and I don't actively promote my classes every day. Of course, I mention them sometimes in my YouTube videos. I will include a link to them in the description box of my videos, but there are quite a few people that don't follow me that are on Creative Fabrica for other things that they're looking for, and they'll just land on my classes and make a purchase. Well, hopefully you feel inspired today to start building at least one of these income streams. Make sure to sign up for your 1-month free trial of Epidemic Sound using the link in the description box below and start browsing through their amazing tracks, start using them on your own YouTube channel, podcast, or social media profiles. Head over to this tutorial next, where I show you how to research, create, and publish books on Amazon KDP if that's the side hustle you're thinking of starting on. So I'll see you there.